Hey guys, welcome back to Naan Central, and today we are going to be making some sous vide jerk chicken. So that's going to start off with a whole chopped onion going into the bowl of a food processor, followed by 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to add in a bunch of green onions, also roughly chopped, and about half a cup of lime juice. Now these ingredients are for about 4 or 5 pounds of chicken, so if you're using less, obviously scale the ingredients down as well. And next I'm going to add in 2 habaneros. If you can find scotch bonnets, even better. And then I'm also going to add in some soy sauce and some olive oil. Next is our dry ingredients. These are mostly allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt and pepper, and some thyme. Next, I'm going to give this a mix with a spatula. Now, pretty sure this was unnecessary, but I don't know, I did it anyways. Then we're going to close up the food processor and, give this a blitz. So next, we're going to prep our chicken legs, and to do that, I'm going to give them 2 cuts going all the way to the bone. You could do them a little bit more shallow if you want. And I'm also using drumsticks here. If you want, you could use the whole chicken leg or maybe even chicken wings. I wouldn't recommend doing chicken breasts. It's not going to have the same flavor, but I mean, you could if you wanted to. And next, I'm going to add those into a Ziploc bag, which is what we're going to use to obviously sous vide these. And I'm doing 2 bags here. It's definitely easier to do 1 bag, but this video just shows that you can do larger batches as long as you have enough water to cover, obviously. Next, we're gonna add the marinade into the bags and give him a massage to get the marinade all in there. And be sure to mix it well, even though I'm kind of doing it off frame here, but you get the idea. Okay, so those bags have actually sat in the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours, just to let the flavors, penetrate the chicken meat and get everything all nice and tasty, all the way down to the bone. And next, we're gonna want to flatten out the bags so that the chicken is in a single layer, and open the bag a little bit to let out the air. Then we're going to place the bag inside the water so that the weight of the water displaces the air. And I didn't show this, but there was a little bit too much water in this for the second bag, and it kind of overflowed, so just make sure you're being careful with the amount of water that you're using. Alright, and after that has cooked to the desired temperature, which in this case I did 167 for the chicken legs, we're going to head out to the grill, which I'm lubricating here with some oil after the coals have gotten nice and white hot. We're going to arrange our chicken legs onto the grill in a single layer. If you can, try to wipe off more of the marinade than I did here. The first chicken leg was okay, but the second one, as you can see, has a lot of marinade on there, and it's just not going to brown as well with all that marinade on there. So yeah, keep that in mind. Alright, so once all of our pieces are on the grill, we're just going to watch our chicken. Obviously the coals are super hot, and we just want the chicken to get evenly browned on all sides, and we're looking for pretty deep brown. There is sugar in the marinade, so that's going to caramelize really well and add some complexity to this chicken. And since we cooked it sous vide, we obviously know that the chicken is cooked internally, and really on the grill all we're looking to do is just brown the outside. Okay, and then we are going to take off our chicken once it looks, once it reaches this point. And there you have it, some sous vide jerk chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.